Now let's look at one of these case studies when implementing Kanban for IT operation and service teams. Kanban, originating from Toyota Lean manufacturing system, has been widely adopted in IT operation and service teams to manage the workflow effectively. IT teams who deals with continuous flow of tasks such as resolving incidents, handling service requests, and performing maintenance activities can take the benefit of lean. Unlike Scrum, which operates in time boxed sprints, Kanban is a continuous flow system that enables the flexibility which makes it ideal for IT service teams who must react quickly to issues rather than just working within time development cycles. The key benefits that the IT operation can get from Kanban by utilizing Kanban is having a faster issue resolution. The IT teams can track and resolve the issue in more efficient way. Also having a better visibility so the teams can visualize the work in their progress and identify any bottlenecks. Also improving the work prioritization and reducing the work overload by having the work in progress limits to prevent the team burnout. And here are the Kanban boards for IT service teams. So a Kanban board provides a visual representation of the work in IT operation. So think of a basic Kanban boards for IT service teams. The backlog contains maybe the incident reports or the number of incidents that need to be resolved, and to-do list or to-do section will hold the highest priority issues, and the next column will have the end progress where the active troubleshooting incidents been let's say take a place. You will also have a testing phase where the validate it will be used for validation and testing of these troubleshooting steps. And when it comes to the last stage where it shows as done to confirm the maybe the resolved number of tickets. So these stages in IT Kanban workflow where the backlog it identify all of the new issues, the incidents and the requests that are logged, to do where it prioritizes the tasks that need to be addressed next. In progress, it will have the work currently being handled by the IT team. Testing and validation phase where it verifies the issues resolved and done shows the successfully resolved issues. Work on progress limits are used to prevent overloading the technicians. For example, limiting the in progress column to 3 tasks per team member ensures that they are not overwhelmed. How the prioritization works in IT service requests using Kanban. So, in IT service teams, not all the issues are equally urgent. Kanban helps to categorize tasks based on priority, ensuring that the critical incidents are resolved first. The example here where a task prioritization in IT Kanban where it shows the critical issues as has a priority 1 or P1, such as the system outages or cybersecurity threats or major service disruption can be assigned as priority 1. The high priority, which is P2 issues, performance issues such as the issues which is affecting the key users or functions. Next priority here you have is medium priority, where it shows as P3 issues like bug fixing or minor service requests. Also, the low priority, where it assigns as P4 issues such as routine maintenance and minor enhancements. By clearly defining these priorities, Kanban reduces the delays and ensures the IT teams work on most and let's say urgent tasks first. How that Kanban can reduce the IT downtime. So system downtime can lead sometimes to revenue losses or customer dissatisfaction or reputational issues. Kanban ensures that the IT teams responds quickly to minimize the service disruptions. And Kanban strategies are being used to reduce the IT downtime, including the real-time monitoring by having an automated ticket creation for maybe system alerts, also by limiting the work on progress to prevent overloading the IT teams to improve the efficiency, and finally by automating the task assignment by assigning the tickets based on the technician expertise. How to measure the IT service performance of Kanban? So tracking Kanban performance metrics helps IT teams to improve the service efficiency. And remember the key Kanban metrics that we used it. The IT team also here can use it by having metrics like the lead time, maybe to track the time from the ticket creation to resolution. Also the cycle time, where it shows the time taking for a ticket in progress to be resolved. Throughput and the blocked work items, it shows the number of tickets completed maybe per week or per month. So you can understand the team velocity in terms of handling these tickets. Kanban for IT change management. So Kanban also help IT teams to manage change requests efficiently. IT teams can prioritize the urgent system updates, for example, and track the deployments through testing and validation and to minimize the service disruptions.